Hello vegan athletes, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about how to get enough B12 as a vegan. Vitamin B12 is a vital nutrient that requires special attention for vegans. Since this vitamin is predominantly found in animal-based foods, it can be a challenge to ensure adequate intake of it as a vegan. However, with some thoughtful planning and knowledge, you can easily meet your B12 needs. In this video, I will share valuable tips and insider secrets on how to get enough vitamin B12 as a vegan. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It supports the production of red blood cells, aids in maintaining a healthy nervous system, and helps to convert food into energy. B12 is also involved in DNA synthesis, making it essential for cell growth and repair. As a vegan, it is essential to pay attention to your B12 intake to avoid deficiency symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and nerve damage. First, let's uncover some of the best food sources of B12 for vegans. Fortified plant-based milk and cereals. Fortified plant-based milk and cereals are excellent sources of vitamin B12 for vegans. Many brands now offer fortified options that contain the necessary amount of B12. Check the labels when purchasing plant-based milk and cereals, and opt for fortified varieties to ensure an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. In addition to fortified plant-based milk, cereals, and meat alternatives, there are other B12 fortified foods available in the market. Look for products like tofu, plant-based spreads, and energy bars that specifically mention B12 fortification on their labels. These fortified options can contribute significantly to your B12 intake and ensure you're meeting your nutritional requirements. Another great source is nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a staple in many vegan households, and it happens to be a fantastic source of vitamin B12. This inactive form of yeast adds a savory, cheesy flavor to dishes and can easily be incorporated into your meals. Sprinkle nutritional yeast on pasta, popcorn, or roasted vegetables to boost your B12 intake while enjoying a delicious, plant-based meal. Also full of vitamin B12 are plant-based meat alternatives. Plant-based meat alternatives, such as veggie burgers and sausages, have gained popularity in recent years. Fortunately, many of these products are fortified with vitamin B12 to enhance their nutritional value. When shopping for plant-based meat alternatives, read the labels to find brands that offer B12 fortified options. Another great natural source is seaweed. Certain types of seaweed, such as nori, are natural sources of vitamin B12. Including seaweed in your diet can contribute to your B12 intake. Consider using nori sheets to make sushi rolls or adding dried seaweed to soups and salads for a healthy dose of B12. Should you take supplements for B12 on a vegan diet? To ensure you meet your B12 requirements, it's wise to consider taking vitamin B12 supplements. There are various forms of supplements available, including tablets, capsules, and sublingual drops. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the right dosage and form of B12 supplement for your needs. How often should you take a B12 supplement? The frequency of B12 supplementation can vary based on individual needs. Since this is a water-soluble vitamin, you can't really overdose on it. Any excess is excreted in the urine. It is generally considered safe, even at high doses. However, it's always recommended to follow the recommended dosage provided by healthcare professionals. Here is one secret tip to ensure optimal B12 absorption. Try pairing B12-rich foods with vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances the absorption of vitamin B12 in the body. When consuming B12-rich foods, consider pairing them with sources rich in vitamin C. For example, squeeze some lemon juice over your nutritional yeast-dusted vegetables, or enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice with your fortified cereal. This simple tip can maximize your body's ability to absorb and utilize B12. Remember, adopting a vegan lifestyle can be fulfilling and health-promoting, but it requires thoughtful consideration of essential nutrients like B12. By following these suggestions and incorporating B12-rich foods into your diet, you can ensure that you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Stay proactive, stay informed, and enjoy the journey of nourishing your body as a vegan. Thanks for watching so far. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in the comments section below, and if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive more vegan nutrition tips and tricks to unlock the full potential of your vegan diet. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.